because everybody is in a fast paced lifestyle these days and no one has time, so you actually are looking for appliances and gadgets to make your life easy.
To make our life more easy, we want our homes to be smart. The history of Sharp. We are over 100 plus year old company
Okay.
globally.
Okay.
And to be precise, now 111, 12 years.
So today I have with me the charming Neha Batra from Sharp Business Systems. She heads product planning and marketing. How are you today, Neha? And I hope we have a good chit chat to understand what the consumer electronics sector has in store.
Thank you so much, Himani, for inviting me here today for the podcast. I am doing very well. And it's a pleasure for me to be here to share some industry insights and some company wide insights about the Sharp.
That's great. So, should we get started with our first question?
Yes.
Okay. Today, everybody is talking about smart homes, smart offices. So, what, in your opinion, are the essential devices that are needed to get started in setting up a smart home?
Yes, so these days, if we see, every consumer is eyeing for a smart appliance for their home, a smart device, because this is the time where everybody is too busy with their lifestyle. The lifestyles are such that we do not have time really. And to make our life more easy, we want our homes to be smart enabled homes. So I would say that basic enablers for us setting up a smart home would be to have a first platform wherein we can connect all our smart devices to one particular platform. So in that there'll be you can do that with Google Homes, or you can do that with Alexa, Amazon.
Okay. Okay.
So number one, you need a hub where you can connect seamlessly all your devices at home.
Okay.
And then to begin with, I think the most common appliances that are there, starting from your doorbells to your security systems to your appliances for that matter. When we talk about appliances, then your washing machines, your refrigerators, all the appliances are coming with AIoT,
Oh,
Wi-Fi
I
input.
didn't know that, everything comes under the smart thing. I was like, what everybody talks about smart homes. So you're under that opinion, is it a particular device which makes a smart home or something? So
Yeah.
you're saying that our ACs, our refrigerators, everything
Even
gets into it.
things as small as your light switches, your bulbs, your fans, everything is coming up with AIoT
Oh,
technology.
that's great.
You don't even have to
So,
move a
do you
hand.
need some professional to set up a smart home, or one can do it on their own?
You can do it yourself. It's as easy as it can be. You need to have, first of all, a Wi-Fi connection at your home.
Okay.
So just like you plug in your Amazon Alexa or Google, in that you just need to incorporate. You need to have a smartphone. You can integrate your device on that app and link it with other peripherals.
Okay.
So it's
Okay.
very easy and you can get it done in a jiffy. Not a
Oh,
problem.
that's very interesting. So I think people will benefit out of this and start
Absolutely.
using, because everybody is in a fast-paced lifestyle these
Mhm.
days and no one has time. So you
True.
actually are looking for appliances and gadgets to make your life easy.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I see earlier, I would, for me, Sharp was synonymous with office automation. I would say maybe 15 years ago, I would just think that Sharp has solutions for a smart office. But today I see that Sharp is offering a complete range of appliances to make your home and life easy. You have air purifiers to refrigerators to kitchen appliances, everything.
Yeah.
So, how does Sharp integrate these advanced technologies into home and kitchen to improve our daily lives?
So, first of all, the history of Sharp. We are over 100 plus year old company
Okay,
globally.
okay.
And to be precise, now 111, 12 years.
Oh,
Yes. And the premise on which Sharp started its operation was to make products which are very innovative, number one.
okay.
That comes with a Japanese legacy that we have. And then how we can inculcate these products in day to day lives of the consumer to make their life more convenient and better.
Okay.
So the relevancy has to be there with the technology. So in India, if I talk about, Sharp has been famous for its appliances also, if we are talking 20 years back from now. And yes, like you said, that in office automation, we have our MFPs and commercial screens.
So I think now Sharp has had a facelift.
Yes.
So they are coming up very aggressively,
Yes.
and they've changed their product range and
Hmm.
all. So it's great to see a lot of automation and all as solutions for everybody through Sharp.
Exactly. So now we are coming up with a lot of innovative products. We are globally number one in terms of air purifiers. If I talk about, we have a very wide range of air purifiers.
Okay.
Again, there is a range of product within air purifiers that are smart air purifiers that are Wi-Fi enabled and can be integrated through Google as well.
Okay.
And even our refrigerators or washing machines, they come with top of the line technology that we call as plasma cluster technology,
Okay.
that is globally patented for us.
Okay.
So Sharp as a brand is not only bringing in the smart home appliances, it is also bringing the products which are included with the technology which plays on the health benefit.
Okay.
So it is not just an electronic appliance. We want to be involved in the lives of the consumer in a way that benefits them in their well-being as well.
Okay. That's
Yes.
great to learn.
Yeah.
So today I'm learning a lot about smart automation and about Sharp.
Yes.
Okay. And Neha, can you explain how user centric design influences the development of Sharp's appliances?
Yes. So today, in today's scenario, if we see, we would like to put all the appliances in our homes that actually beautifies our home. Now, appliances are no more confined into the back area of your
Of
homes.
course. You
right?
want to showcase them.
Yes, we want to showcase them, and that is why our products, if I talk about refrigerator for example, we come with mirror glass finish.
Oh.
So you would not need a dresser to get ready, right? You
Okay.
can just look into that mirror. It is so reflective
Okay.
that you can see your own image.
Okay.
And yesterday we had launched our mini PureFit series of air purifiers. They are specifically made with the concept that it has to integrate with the interiors of the house.
Okay.
So in that you can change the panels as per your interiors. It comes in wooden finish as well.
Okay.
The texture is such. There is a changeable top as well. So all the features in terms of designs are made to make it customized for your houses, so that it is not just a product which is lying in one corner, but it becomes a part of a style statement for your homes as well.
It's a decorative style statement
Absolutely.
and eases your life.
Absolutely,
Okay.
and at the same time very powerful too. So the functionality is not compromised.
Okay. That's interesting. Now, I think you are focusing a lot on health and wellness. Just you mentioned about that also.
Yes.
By changing the design and features of your air purifiers, water purifiers in the consumer market.
Mhm.
So, has health and wellness always been a concern with major companies, or is only Sharp focusing on this? And is it just purifiers and where you focusing on wellness and health, or other areas as well, other products as well?
See, to be frank, a lot of industry dynamics have changed post pandemic. People have started realizing that running just like that in a day to day life is not going to work anymore. Your health comes as a priority; it comes first.
Yes.
So, but with Sharp, we have been always focusing on the health and the well-being part. That is the innermost of the core values that Sharp has as a company globally.
Okay.
So when I talk about the plasma cluster patented technology from Sharp, it is there since long,
Okay.
and we have it not in just one product. We have it in across our range.
Okay.
So that basically means that you are replicating the science of nature inside your home, in your refrigerators, in our air purifier range.
Okay.
So the longevity of product, the air that we breathe in throughout, not just something that we are consuming at some odd time of the day. So health-wise, Sharp has always been very vocal support for the well-being of the consumers.
I think we all got enlightened on this only while COVID. Before that, everything else was important in lives, and in COVID, we realized no, without health, there is nothing.
It is
Everything is zero.
Yes.
Okay,
yes.
so that's interesting that Sharp has been focusing all this, but I think you know, the emphasis on that needs to come out for the consumer to know that this product is good for their health and well-being.
Absolutely. I mean, the air purifiers, nobody realized the importance of air purifiers before. Even the water purifiers, although if I have to give you industry, some facts on the industry penetrations, these days, even water purifier penetration is so low in India, wherein we think that in urban setup, everybody house has
Yes,
one water purifier.
yes.
But still, there is tremendous scope of water
Okay.
purifiers.
We take
in
it for
India.
granted, you know, that RO is
Yeah.
there in every house.
Yes, even when we talk about RO, so these days people have started to look even better than RO technology. So you will see in the market like there are RO purifiers which comes with copper,
Okay.
right? Because now people have started to understand that copper Indian
वो
values.
जैसे वो पीतल के बर्तन में
True.
पहले पानी, you know, used to
Those
keep it
traditional
overnight
ways.
and drink it, and okay.
Yes.
So those benefits are being translated into devices as well.
Yes, we are trying to amalgamate what India as a history, as a culture used to take and imbibe them in the product. That is how we can also, you know, align with the thought process of the consumer and engage them better.
Okay,
Yes.
that's great. Now, Neha, how do you feel the rise of e-commerce is changing the way the consumer electronics industry positions its products? Because earlier it was I would go to a store, buy a product.
Yeah.
Now I don't have the time. I don't have the energy. I feel, yeah, I can do everything online.
Mm-hmm.
So how has the dynamics of the industry changed? Because you find so many variants for a particular product, and sometimes it's very difficult to make a choice. Online, if I see for one category, I would have 10 to 15 variants from one brand, and then you have 10 brands. So I have 150 products on a single page. So it's very difficult for me as a user to decide what to do, what to buy.
Yeah.
Earlier in a store, you went, there were only 2-3 products.
Yes.
So you know, okay, this is looking better than this, or you know, this has better features, I
Yeah.
buy it. Now you're so confused. So how are you as a player in the industry focusing on this change? How are you addressing this need of the consumer to make the best decision on the online and e-commerce platforms?
You're very right. Actually, consumer these days is spoiled for choices.
Yes, absolutely.
We want to shop for one thing, but we have hundreds of alternatives available in the market. So the confusion in the mind of consumers is very valid. Which product is best for me, and how do I reach to the right product that fits into my criteria? So number one, consumer also is very informed because there are so many platforms available.
Everything.
And
is
if you're going on any e-commerce platform, be it Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, any platform, there are a lot of reviews that you can look into. Other than reviews on social media, there are a lot of influencers who give reviews on the products. That is one way that you can get to know about how you know what product features are available in the market.
Okay.
So as a brand, we are consistently focusing on you know, gaining positive reviews in the market by experiencing the service network that a consumer after purchasing the product has a positive service experience, and word of mouth helps. Really,
Okay.
it helps.
So
I
now
can-
everything is
yeah.
based on word of mouth, reviews, and influences.
See, positive reviews are very important. Our job doesn't just end once the product is sold. It'll be very easy.
Yes.
But
yes.
only a repeat purchase can happen once the consumer is really happy.
Yeah.
And if the consumer is happy with the purchase, with the overall experience, he will spread word of mouth, positive word of mouth. that we say.
Absolutely.
And that's how the whole circle gets completed.
And what about the after sales service? How
Yes.
good
So-
is your network on that? And
So we are proud to say that we have a very comprehensive service network, and if consumer ever has any complaint about the product, then they can register on our toll-free numbers,
okay.
and our service channel. They will reach out to them, and their problems will be resolution. The solution will be given in maximum 2 days.
Because I think the faith in a product only comes with a good after
Absolutely.
sales network.
Yeah, because that is one differentiating factor which can just break your image or which can elevate you high.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Great. Now, Sharp has a very rich heritage in the appliance industry, as we've been talking about. How does the company leverage its brand legacy to inspire consumer trust and confidence?
So we have been doing a lot of initiatives other than just promoting our products and gaining reviews. So our organization is associated with a lot of NGOs, been doing a lot of social work because as an organization, it is our responsibility to give back to the society also. So a lot of corporate social initiatives we are taking as a company,
Okay.
and that is how we are building trust, and it is our way of just giving back little something back to the society as well.
Okay, that's great. Neha, we had a wonderful chit chat on consumer electronics industry and about Sharp and their plans and their products. I would just like to conclude our chit chat by understanding, like we have this Made in India, initiatives and focus on manufacturing in India, and from Swadeshi to global brands coming in. So, what is the consumer perception today? Do they prefer something which is made in India, or they go for something which is a global, or it is a mix of technology but with a manufacturing base in India? And how do those consumer preferences or feedbacks impact what Sharp is doing?
So consumer these days is very informed, and they do not really need a made outside India kind of a product, because earlier gone are the days actually when the technological advancements were not made in India that much. But these days everything is available in India. You talk of any product, any brand that is available in India. So even for Sharp, the philosophy is that it is the products are designed in Japan, but they are made for India, because just taking a product from outside and bringing it to the customers here will not solve the purpose. You have to localize it, you have to map the needs of the consumers that are there you're offering to, and then you have to bundle it out so that the consumers relevancy is ensured. So Sharp makes sure that the products are though designed in Japan, they are of international level, but they are made in India and they are made for Indians.
Okay, perfect.
Yes.
So, local is the keyword.
Local is the keyword,
Okay,
yes.
great. So it was really nice having you over, Neha.
Thank you.
And we look forward to more growth happening in
Yes.
this industry.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you.